audience who would care to join us in reciting the pledge, feel free to stand and join us. I solemnly pledge myself before the Assembly to practice my profession with the intensity, honor, and commitment. I will not take nor knowingly administer any harmful drug or treatment. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standards of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and family affairs, committed to my knowledge and the practice of my profession. Through collaboration with healthcare team, I will endeavor to safeguard the health and welfare of those committed to my care.